Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. I'm doing a in-house video today at work. Here's one of the big U-Haul jobs we do. I mean, we do all the regional U-Hauls, right? Sir? Don't we do them all in the region?
We should do them all.
There's some other signs just sitting around, ready for installs. Yeah, we should. There's the Taco Bell sign ready to go out. It looks like it's like 12 feet tall by about 60 inches wide, standing up. It's double-sided. It's a painted sign. It's all hand-painted, stenciled. It's kind of dark. And there's a lot of signs that are being built in the process. Here's like CTA train stop sign. We've done a lot of CTA projects. Being a union shop, they prefer union shop vendors or contractors. This is a very large rolled aluminum 1/2-inch sign for a job we're doing. I can't mention names. Saturday morning before starting, so we have time for a minute to walk around. But here's another open sign. It's pretty big. It's framed out. Getting ready for electrical. There's actuators in there for lights. And then there's a very large sign here. That thing's got to be 20 feet wide there, but it's actually turned. And another one right here. And there's a Cube Smart job I've been working on for a few days. And then here's the inside. These are called ladder lights, and they light on both sides. So you just got one strip of lights right down the middle. But this will be a push-through job, push-through letters. Painted face with push-throughs. On the bottom push-throughs are numbers that have vinyl applied to the faces. And there's somewhere. So it's just a quick Saturday morning peruse through the shop, and I gotta punch in. So here's the faces for that Cube Smart. It's upside down, one of them, actually both of them. Get ready to assemble the push throughs in there. So use a combination of like Lord's glue or 3M tapes, brackets, clips to hold them on. Those are pretty heavy because these are big. And there's like the numbers, there's vinyl applied to the faces only. Usually I run a 1/8-inch flange when we mill them. Most of the ones I do are 1/8. This is actually 1-inch acrylic. So these will be 1-inch acrylic push throughs versus like 1/2 or 3/4 that you would normally see. Why they want 1-inch beyond me. So more push through. So this is just a red vinyl applied to the faces. And then underneath, they look like that. Top letters will just be white. The reason I don't like 1-inch push is because on the angle, though, the 1-inch just comes out too far. You get weird, you can't read it well on an angle. There. So there's another, this is a reader board with your tracks, your zip tracks. These got to be spaced exact to fit proper sizing on the letters. And these are like little templates used to space them out, to glue them down. This is a pretty big reader board though. So there's some more signs over there. It's still early, so all the lights are off. So that's about it, guys. That's a quick tour today. I know people ask me all the time if they could see more of the shop. You know, this shop's been around for over 100 years. I think something like 106 years. And we've pretty much got everything. Routers over there, all our plastic, drop-offs, knockoffs, all that, it's over there. And then there's a whole other, down there is all the paint booth. And then towards design, there's a paint booth also. And then we have a whole another building that does painting, assembles channel letters, all trim cap stuff like that. So form presses, vacuum press, this one's big. It's 16 feet by 8, this one. And it recently just got rebuilt. So it's all digital touchscreen and everything for the controls. So it's huge.
That's how it's in the back. It's
Yeah.
very cool.
Here's the display. Here's the board. It's all touchscreen. But everything was redone. Cost a lot of money to get the new heating elements. They're up there. So that's it. I'll just, just push everything. I know nothing about this thing. So I just wanted to kind of pick up where I left off, but this is this is the department I run. It's production, vinyl, printing, routing, painting of some of the signs back here, and all the vinyl work. So this is our 2000 plus. Great machine, you guys have seen that. It's a roll table over here. We're in the middle of remodeling and doing some changes, so we got stuff all over, but right now this is our vinyl area, and we got another paint booth that we do a lot of U-Haul painting. Actually, all the U-Haul painting signs are in there. And then I recently just got my office remodeled, and designers sit over here, and some of these Graphtec cutter for right here. And then this is my desk. It's a mess, I know, but this is where I've been working till we get finished set up. But this is the other printer that I use for the printer for the RIP. Onyx Thrive is on there, so, and then we send it right to it. So, but that's it. That's the a short shop tour for you guys, and I just try to show people what I do here. But this is my department. I run it. I'm back to work, which is great. I've been here a long time, since like 2006. So, but all right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you in the next one.